do YouTube, and it's called Cindy's Corner. So if you have a child, more children, they can go on and you subscribe and you'll get all the notifications, and it's uploads constantly. All right, Splat the cat. See the cat? And the pumpkin picking plan. Can you see? You want to sit up here?
You want to sit closer?
Okay. All right. And if we turn the page, we have right here, Splat the cat and the pumpkin picking plan. And this is called the title page. And it tells us who the author is and who the illustrator is. And this author is Catherine Hapka. And its illustrators are Rick Farley and Lauren Bratz.
Here you go.
Autumn was one of Splat's favorite seasons. You can tell it's autumn because the leaves are falling. I'll help you rake the leaves, Mom, Splat offered. Thank you, Splat, Mom said. Need all the help we can get. They're raking up the big old pile of leaves. Splat was good at raking leaves. Seymour helped too. Soon, they'd made a huge pile. See that big old pile of leaves? What do you think they're gonna do? Splat! What did he do? He jumped in, that's right. He jumped in. You can only see his tail. He jumped in the leaves.
I see his feet sticking
Leaves
out.
went flying everywhere. Mom, Splat's mom, sighed. Oh, I have an idea. She said, why don't you go to Farmer Patch's pumpkin patch? You can pick out a pumpkin to decorate and put on the porch. Y'all want to come sit down?
Come on, Finley.
Splat thought that sounded like a great idea. I'll pick the perfect pumpkin ever, he promised. Splat grabbed the wagon and he and Seymour set off on their way. Going to the pumpkin patch, got his wagon. What do you think he's gonna put in his wagon?
Leaves.
No.
No, good try. A pumpkin, that's right. Splat loved Farmer Patch's pumpkin patch. There was so much to see and do. He saw a scary, what's that?
Scarecrow. That's a scarecrow.
Scarecrow.
Yeah, it's a scarecrow.
Here he goes. Oh my, y'all know what this is?
Excuse us. Bless you.
He got lost in the hay bale maze. He tasted fresh apple and fish cider.
Who are they gonna drink?
Have you ever had fish cider?
No.
Apple cider?
Sit down.
Yeah.
Terrible.
Then Splat remembered. He was supposed to pick out the perfect pumpkin. The perfect pumpkin should be big,
They haven't picked up the pumpkins.
orange, and round, he told Seymour. Perfect pumpkin.
Yeah. Oh, which one?
Oh,
Look at that.
is
Now
this
the
the
little one?
perfect pumpkin?
The little one? No.
Maybe.
Not the little one.
He found a pumpkin that was round and very orange, but it was too little, too small.
That big one. That's too
Then
big.
he goes to this
Can you
pumpkin.
get that one? Too big?
The
You're
next
going the
pumpkin
wagon.
was big and orange, but it was not Round.
round.
Love it. Good job.
Yeah.
He told Seymour it's
round.
not round enough.
That's not round. Too big.
Seymour found a big round pumpkin.
But it's not orange. is it?
What's the problem with this
What color is
pumpkin?
that one?
It's not
Yeah.
orange. That's right. Not orange enough. It's in the stage of changing colors. Splat said. Splat's tail wiggled wildly and with worry.
Look at his tail. Big.
Would he ever find the perfect pumpkin?
Will he ever find one?
But then Splat spotted another pumpkin.
Oh, another one.
It was round. It was orange. It was the biggest pumpkin in the place.
I'd carry it and drag it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can you,
Perfect,
how can you
Splat cried. Mom will love this one.
Would you like a pumpkin?
But
up
there
there?
was one
It's like
problem.
this big.
What's the problem? It's too big. It's not going to
Look
go
at
in
the
his
wagon.
wagon, is
Wagon's
it?
tiny.
But how Splat was going to get the pumpkin home.
How's he gonna get it home?
This won't fit in my wagon, Splat said. I know, he said. I'll roll it. So he gets on it. Have you ever got on something and rolled it?
Gonna roll it
So
with
here
his
he goes.
feet.
He's
Here he goes.
rolling it.
Gonna get it home? Oh, down the hill.
Uh-oh, what's
Uh-oh.
happening? He's going down a
Uh-oh.
hill.
Uh-oh. What's gonna happen?
Splat rolled the
Oh, no.
pumpkin
Oh,
out of the
no.
gate.
Oh, no.
He rolled it on the road and down a hill.
What's gonna
Woo!
happen
Splat
now?
cried. Splat ran. The pumpkin rolled. The pumpkin wouldn't stop, no matter what Splat did. Splat, help! He cried.
He needs a fireman.
Wow.
Oh,
Splat could steer the runaway pumpkin with his feet. He steered it over the bridge and between the two cars and right through his front gate. Busted through, didn't he? Right through the gate.
There it is. Look at it. That's it.
Finally, the pumpkin stopped. Splat's mom smiled. Oh, Splat, it's perfect, she said. Well done. Splat smiled back. It was no trouble, he said. No trouble at all. Was it a little trouble?
A little bit.
Yeah, a lot of
Just a
trouble.
little bit. He tired, isn't he?
Yeah.
But he's got the
He's
what?
gonna go to sleep.
Perfect.
Perfect
Pumpkin.
pumpkin. I
You
hope
say
you
thank you.
enjoyed that.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, there we go.